Yeah, it went.
Yeah, it's gone now, and he's doing all he can do.
Pretty remarkable.
To try to keep that.
That he's hanging on to it right here.
And eventually,
look at it turn sideways, and then he catches Tanner Gray in the 15 truck.
Luckily, no more trucks were involved than were.
Sure could have been.
Now we ride on board with Ben Rhoades.
Looks like Tony Greitinger had a little bit of contact as well.
She got damaged. We mentioned Tanner Gray. That 15 truck has really gotten beaten up in this race.
But he continues to march on. I don't know when.
Look at Corey Hine.
Ty Majeski. Both drivers that have had some problems tonight, despite the fact that they've had solid trucks, and they're able to make it through this unscathed.